Hello everyone, this is Fad Ahmed and today I have received another product from Daraz and I will unbox it and let's see how is it. Okay, let's just open it. It's actually a laptop stand. This is actually the first time I have bought a laptop stand. I will show you very soon what I used to use till now. So let's open it. And here it is. It came in a bag. I'm not sure about this bag's durability, but still they gave one, so thank you. It's made of aluminium and I think it's quite durable. I'm actually really excited about it. Okay, so there are rubber attached, rubber patches, I think for protection. So here it is. I used to use a diary till now, but now I have a stand. Okay, so you can actually manage the height, so that's a good thing and very helpful, I guess. So let's set my laptop on it. So the reason I have bought this stand is for typing. I find it very difficult and my hands feel uncomfortable on a flat surface, and now that it has these edges, I think my hand will be more relaxed. So let's hope for the good. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Ta-da!